How to read reviews about a YouTube TV free trial. Step number 1, search for reputable review websites. Use search engines and enter keywords like YouTube TV free trial reviews. Visit trusted websites such as Tom's Guide or PC Mag for professional insights into YouTube's TV free trial experience. Step number 2, explore user feedback on forums and social media. Check Reddit forums, especially YouTube TV, for user discussions. Search on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook for real-time comments and feedback about the free trial. Step number 3, read reviews on app stores. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for the YouTube TV app. Look for reviews mentioning the free trial to get user-specific experiences. Step number 4, visit consumer review platforms. Check platforms like Trustpilot or the Better Business Bureau for aggregated reviews and ratings on YouTube TV's free trial. Step number 5, evaluate reviews. Focus on recent reviews to ensure feedback reflects the current state of the service. Identify common themes or issues mentioned across multiple reviews, such as ease of cancellation, trial length, or video quality. Assess the credibility of the reviews by looking for detailed explanations rather than vague comments.